Hello everyone, welcome to Life Means More. Friends, did you know people make judgments about your character in about 100 milliseconds? It might seem unbelievable, but it's true. While it might not be enough to present your best self to someone, there are ways you can make a good first impression. It's been said that you only get one chance to make a first impression. Making a good first impression is important in almost any situation. Whether you are meeting someone new at a party, interviewing for a job, or entering any other situation, your initial impression can significantly impact how people perceive you. So, in today's video, we are focused on some tips for ensuring that your impression is one that people remember best. First tip is preparation is key. Being prepared is vital when making a good first impression. Do research ahead of time to understand the context of the situation and the people involved. Make sure you have everything you need with you, so you look prepared when it's time for introductions. Number 2. Dress according to occasion. It's also essential to dress appropriately for whatever occasion or event you attend. It doesn't necessarily mean dressing formally. Focus on looking put together and polished while wearing clothing that fits the environment instead. Third tip is maintain eye contact and positive body language. Once it's time for introductions or meeting new people, maintain eye contact throughout the conversation and keep an open and confident body language. Smiling can also help create an air of openness and positivity, encouraging others to do the same with you during conversations. Number 4. Take time to listen. Remember to listen. Being able to listen actively during conversations demonstrates respect for others and shows them how genuinely interested you are. And the last point, that is number 5, engage in conversation. Ask questions and engage in meaningful back and forth dialogue instead of just saying what needs to be said without much thought or care behind it. Ensure your delivery is conversational and clear, speaking neither too slowly nor too hastily. Maintain politeness throughout the exchange with no explicit language, jargon, or words which could disrupt the flow of conversation between you and others. Nodding in agreement or repeating a key point of discussion are examples of active listening, indicating that you are interested in the conversation. So friends, remember to be authentic and genuine about who you are. People can usually tell when someone is being insincere. Creating a positive impression is essential for networking and forming relationships. Whether you are meeting someone for the first time or trying to make a lasting impression, it is stimulating to have a positive attitude. Because we know that very well that first impression is the last impression. So always remember these points to make a good first impression. That's it for today. Do like and share the video. And subscribe my channel for more such informative videos. Keep watching. Thank you.